Hey y'all, welcome back to today's video. Good evening, good evening. It is April 27th, 2024. You guys probably already saw that video of me doing that pressure washer for my coworker. Um, we're gonna do an upgrade on Black Beauty here, and I'll show you what it is. You guys probably already saw it by the thumbnail, but I'm gonna show you what's going on with it here. So let me turn you guys around to him. Here's Black Beauty, my 1999 Ford F150, 4.2 liter V6. Um, my headlights, they're typical plastic lights. They fade out over time. I have tried the sandpaper treatment on them, but the only bad issue is I got this little nub here, these little three nubs that get in the way of it. So I tried sanding it, 400, 600,000 grit and all that, and it didn't come out good. And, I'll put a night picture of it now, what it looks like at night there. So check that out real quick. Okay, this is what my headlights look like at night right now. See, they're kind of faded lenses a little bit. Camera probably doesn't do justice. Probably tell from this one angle right here. But those are faded out there, and we're going to try putting different ones on, and we'll see the before and after on that one when we do it there. But that's what it looks like right now. Okay, you guys saw that part there. So I went on the jungle site and I found me some headlights there. I'll put a link below to where I got them at. The price is going to vary for how much I paid for them at the time, but I'll tell you guys how much I paid for them. Then I can't remember it offhand. I'll look at my phone. I can't remember it. I'll tell you guys before the video ends. But I'm gonna go ahead and switch those out. Fog lights, I'm gonna clean up myself. I'll do those off camera probably. Those will be easy to do than the headlights there. So I'm gonna pull you guys over there to the box that I got in from Amazon. I actually got it last week. I'm just now doing it because I got some time to do it, and then I want to see how it does at night because it's almost getting dark. So let me guys bring you over to the box. All right, let me show you guys what I got in the box here for this. So I'm gonna see what they sent me. They sent me a box in a box. Well, ain't that nice? I ordered it from TRT. I didn't know they sent me another box with it. They put a box and gave me another box. How do you like that?
What?
One of those headlights. They put it in a box and another box. Which is in another box.
No, hey, there's a box inside a box inside a box inside a box. It's like those other ones you have.
Well, how do you like that? They gave me
the things you have in there. It's the same way, remember? Oh, good Lord, you got two boxes.
Yeah. Nor view before you do. Engineered for peace of mind. Well, I got like boxes. Now, if I gotta send something, I got plenty of boxes. All right, well, this is like Christmas, like opening a bunch of boxes up. I didn't know they put it in 4 different boxes, just about. All right, let's see what they sent me. And I think it already comes with the bulbs already. So, here we go right here. This is the upgrade for my truck. They put the in saran wrap. That's good. So that's what they look like compared to what Black Beauty has. So I'm going to go ahead and install these on Black Beauty. They shouldn't be that hard to do. All I got to do is some adjusting on it. So that's no big deal. So let's go ahead, and they gave me headlights too, so even better. So we'll go ahead and put these on. Play a little music for you guys there when we do it. But first, check the other one out. Maybe I'm good on that one too before I do. gave me a bunch of packaging. So there we go. That's the left tail light, headlight. So I already came with the bulbs. They are all light HB59007. 007. Sounds like James Bond. Anyway, you guys enjoyed the music. Let me go ahead and put these things on Black Beauty. Alright, well there he is. He looks a lot better now with new eyes. Looks better than those eyes. I'm going to try to see if I can do those off camera. And this, I'm not going to throw them away. I'll keep them as a backup. And the lights are actually a Sylvania ones. And usually those are good lights. We'll see how these work. And I got backups just in case. But I'll clean those off camera. And then we'll see how they look. But let's see how they look with the headlights on. They look a lot better at night, that's for sure. They look decent. They look decent. We'll see how long those bulbs last, though. Well, like I said, I don't got the vehicle on, so I gotta wear down the battery. We'll see how it looks at night, though. I might have to do some adjusting. But, hey. Good enough for me. I gotta put a new air filter on Black Beauty anyway. I got a new one for it, so actually gonna go slap that on real quick. So let me get you guys set up better and I'll bring you. Alright, air filter from where I work at Walmart. I was looking for the SuperTech one because I don't mind SuperTech, so some of the stuff's not too bad. But $16.43 for that filter. There, so I don't. The filter, last I checked it then was. Okay, that's not even on there. Okay. Last time I did this, the filter looks somewhat okay, but I think I'm just gonna switch it out. Let me grab my 8mm real quick. Let me grab this. I'm gonna go ahead and. This truck's got 342,000 miles on it. Probably to the body it does. But the engine, you know, has been replaced. before. So go ahead and take this off. Get this off of there. Let's see how this filter looks. Uh, yeah, yeah, not the worst. Not the best either. So we'll just go ahead and switch it out. We already got it here. Looks like he did switch it out with the same one I got, CA 3039. Yeah, let's go ahead and, like I said, I got this at my local Wally World. So we're putting in, that looks a lot better. That might help it a little bit for the foreseeable future. Looks like the pleats are a little bit more on this one than that one. Huh. Anyway, don't look that bad in here, so I'm not going to worry about cleaning it out. So, I'll put that one in there. There you go, buddy. Get to breathe easier. Go ahead and put that on here, like so. Get this clamp on here. Put this back on here. Like so, and then put that clamp down. There we go. It needed a change, so that's good. That's all right. Works out for me, so I'm glad I did that. All right, let me start it back up and see how it sounds. Maybe we're actually gonna wait till dark and we'll see how these lights. You know, it would help if I took this thing off. I did this off camera. The only thing is I broke the tab off of that light. So I'm gonna have to go to the junkyard to get another light for it. It sits on there, but yeah, I forgot to peel this stuff off. The little saran stuff they put around it. So I had to take the lights off from the marker lights and do this, but here we go. That actually now looks a lot more better without them on. I could have left them on, but yeah, would have helped. So yeah, we'll see how they look at night. Alright, this is what the headlights look like after the fact. This is the after. Alright, I want to thank you guys for watching this video there. Me installing these headlights. I was going to tell you the price I paid for them at the time. Let me see if I can pull it up real quick and show you. At that time, I ordered them on April, they got them here April 19th. Let's see what the order details. It said I paid $74.95 for it at that time. Now that price is going to vary. I'll put the link below for the lights, but they're going to probably vary on that one. So I did that with a scanner I reviewed before, and they don't even have that scanner anymore. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get off here. You guys like, share, subscribe, keep on turning those wrenches. I'll see you guys on the next video. Y'all take care. Catch.